तो दोस्तों, आज 251 से स्टार्ट करने जा रहा हूँ। चलिए क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट फ्रिक्शन इज ट्रू? डी नंबर, काइनेटिक फ्रिक्शन इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द रोलिंग फ्रिक्शन. The friction force depend on the nature of the surface it is in contact with. Friction is independent of the area of the contact. Friction cannot be reduced to zero. Friction force is rolling is less than the friction force in kinetic. Friction of a static is greater than friction of kinetic is greater than friction of rolling. Next question. A ladder 13 meter is placed against a smooth vertical wall with its lower end 5 meter from the wall. What should be the coefficient of friction between the ladder and floor so that it remains in equilibrium? आंसर डी हो जाएगा, नॉन ऑफ दिस. इसका म्यू का मान कितना हो जाएगा? 0.208. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A weight of 500 Newton is held on a smooth plane inclined at 30 degree to the horizontal by the force P acting angle 30 degree above the plane as shown in the figure below. The reaction of plane on the weight will be, आंसर हो जाएगा 288 न्यूटन. Two iron blocks of different weight are placed on the frictionless inclined plane and are allowed to slide. They will have same acceleration but different force acting on them. Two iron blocks of different weight are placed on frictionless inclined plane and are allowed to slide. They will have same acceleration but different force acting on them. Next question. Two rectangular blocks of weight W each are connected by the flexible cord and rest upon the horizontal and inclined plane, with the cord passing over the pulley as shown in the figure below. If mu is the coefficient of friction for all the continuous surfaces, angle theta for the motion system to impeded will be, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा tan theta by 2 equal to mu. द स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन. स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन क्या है? स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन कह रहा है ऑल ऑफ देम. ठीक है, तो ऑल ऑफ देम देखते हैं क्या है. स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन बियर ए कांस्टेंट रेशियो टू द नॉर्मल रिएक्शन बिटवीन द टू सरफेसेस. स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन in independent of area of contact between the two surfaces. Always act in direction opposite to that in which the body tends to move. About the static friction, bear a constant ratio to the normal reaction between the two surfaces. It is independent of the area of contact between the two surfaces. Always act in direction opposite to that in which the body tends to move. The force of friction depend upon the roughness of the surface. Next question. The rolling friction is the friction experienced by the body when the body none of these. When the body rolls over another body, frictional force experienced by the body is known as rolling friction. When the body slides over the another body, the friction force experienced by the body is known as sliding friction. Next question. Which motion has magnitude of the static frictional force directly proportional to the normal reaction? Impending motion के लिए होता है. In impending motion, the body is on the verge of slipping and the magnitude of the limiting static friction force is directly proportional to the magnitude of the normal reaction. Next question. An object sitting on the sloped surface is prevented from the sliding down by static friction. A force acting on in opposite direction to the motion of the body is called friction. It is following two types: a static friction and dynamic friction. The friction experienced by a body when at rest is known as static friction. The friction experienced by a body when in motion is called dynamic friction. Which of the following is true with respect to the coefficient of friction? ये all of these हो जाएगा. It is the ratio of force of friction between the two bodies and force of pressing between them. It is dimensionless, a scalar value. It depends upon the material used. Coefficient of friction is defined as the ratio of the limiting friction F to the normal reaction between the two bodies. It is generally denoted by mu. Mu equal to क्या होता है? F by Rn. Mu is dimensionless, a scalar value. Dynamic or kinematic friction does not depend upon contact area, but it depends upon the nature of the body. A body with mass 900 kg is located on the 15 degree inclined plane. What is the pulling force without friction? ये 2285 न्यूटन. ए नंबर आंसर. A weight of 200 Newton is to be pulled over the surface with coefficient of friction 0.2. What is the force needed to start motion? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 40 न्यूटन. F इक्वल टू म्यू आर. म्यू दिया 0.2 और आर दिया हुआ है 200. इससे हो जाएगा 40 न्यूटन. रोलिंग फ्रिक्शन इज लेसर देन द स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन. आइए पढ़ते इसके बारे में. फ्रिक्शन इज अ टाइप ऑफ फोर्स विच अपोज द रिलेटिव मोशन ऑफ बॉडी. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द मास, contact surface as well as roughness of the surface. If contact surface are more, friction force more, and vice versa. If body is slight, then more surface is in contact surface area, so more friction force generated. If rolling occurs, then only point contact, that is less contact surface. Hence rolling friction is less than sliding friction. The maximum value of friction force when the motion is impending is known as limiting friction. Maximum value of frictional force when the motion is impending known as limiting friction. The friction force when body is to rest condition is known as static friction. Next question. In the shown figure, if the angle of inclination of the plane is increased, then the acceleration of the system will increase हो जाएगा. डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. सॉरी दोस्तों, डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. A wooden block rests on the horizontal force shown in the figure. The force acting on it an angle of 25 degree with horizontal. Assuming the mass of the block to be 8 kg and coefficient of friction is 0.45. देन इसका कितना हो जाएगा? बी नंबर कह रहा है कि 49.31 न्यूटन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द रेशियो ऑफ स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन टू डायनेमिक फ्रिक्शन इज ग्रेटर देन 1. स्टैटिक बटा डायनेमिक. स्टैटिक ज़्यादा होता है डायनेमिक से, इसलिए ग्रेटर देन 1 हो जाएगा. द फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स बिटवीन द ऑब्जेक्ट दैट आर स्टेशनरी इज कॉल्ड स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन कहेंगे. यहाँ स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन ऑप्शन नहीं है तो नन ऑफ दीज हो जाएगा. When there is no motion between the object, then the frictional force between the object is called static friction. Magnitude of static friction क्या हो गया? Fs is less than and equal to mu Sn. Next question. The value of frictional force is equal to the external force. फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स किसके बराबर होता है? एक्सटर्नल फोर्स के बराबर. If an object is moving at constant speed, the force of friction must be equal the applied horizontal external force, and for it to be accelerated or decelerating, the force of friction and the applied force must be unequal. Next question. A body of weight 30 Newton rests on horizontal floor. A gradually increasing horizontal force is applied to the body, which just start moving then when the force is 9 Newton. The coefficient of friction between the body and floor will be 3/10. Next question. A body of weight W is placed on the rough inclined plane. The inclination of the plane with the horizontal is less than the angle of friction. The body will be in equilibrium. Next question. The friction between the objects that are stationary is called static friction. The friction between the objects are stationary is called static friction. The friction experienced by a body when at rest is known as static friction. The friction experienced by a body when body in motion then is known as dynamic friction. A static friction is greater than dynamic friction. A horizontal force of 200 Newton is applied on the body of the weight 600 Newton placed on the horizontal plane. If the body just on the point of the motion, then the angle of the friction would be, एंगल ऑफ फ्रिक्शन कितना हो जाएगा? तो हो जाएगा आपका 18.26. The coefficient, next question, the coefficient of friction between the two surfaces may be defined as the constant of proportionality between the applied tangential force and the normal reaction. Then क्या आ जाएगा? At the instant of impending motion. देखिए, the coefficient of friction between two surfaces may be defined as the constant of the proportionality between the applied tangential force and the normal reaction at the instant of impending motion. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन क्या हो जाता है? टेंजेंशियल फोर्स बटा इनहिबिटिंग फ्रिक्शन फोर्स बटा नॉर्मल रिएक्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ऑन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन डिपेंड? सरफेस रेफरेंस पे डिपेंड करता है. द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन डिपेंड ऑन द नेचर ऑफ द सरफेस रेफरेंस. इन जनरल कोफिशिएंट ऑफ static friction is slightly greater than the coefficient of kinetic friction. The limiting friction force is divided by the normal reaction is known as coefficient of friction. Mu equal to F by N. The angle of inclination of the plane at which the body begins to move down the plane is called angle of friction. Description देखते हैं. The angle of inclination of the plane to the horizontal at which the body just begin to move down the plane is called angle of repose. A little consideration will show the body will begin to move down the plane if the angle of the inclination of the plane is equal to the angle of the friction. tan phi equal to mu equal to tan phi, tan alpha equal to tan phi हो जाता है. Next question. The dynamic friction is the friction experienced by a body when the body is in the motion. The dynamic friction is the friction experienced by a body when the body is in motion. It is also called kinetic friction. It is the following two types: sliding friction and rolling friction. The friction experienced by a body when it slides over another body is known as sliding friction. The friction experienced by a body when ball or roller are interposed between the two surfaces is known as rolling friction. Friction force is more in Dry sliding friction. Friction force is more in dry sliding friction. Friction force क्या है? It is the force acting on a body to body in the contact oppose the relative motion between them. Next question. A body is resting on a plane inclined at an angle 30 degree to the horizontal. The force that would be required to slide it down if the coefficient of friction between the body and plane at 0.3 is A हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. A body weight of 200 Newton is resting on a rough horizontal plane and can just move by a force 80 Newton applied horizontally. What will the value of the coefficient of friction? A नंबर हो जाएगा 0.4. Next question. A block weight 1000 Newton resting on a rough plane which is inclined at 30 degree horizontal. The total frictional force setting on the body will be 500 Newton. Which of the following statement is correct? D number कह रहा both A and B are correct. The force of friction does not depend upon the area of the contact of the two surface. ठीक है. The magnitude of limiting friction bear a constant ratio to the normal reaction between the two surfaces. The 5 law of friction. 5 law of friction का पहला, the force of friction does not depend upon the area of the contact of two surfaces. The magnitude of the limiting friction bear a constant ratio to the normal reaction between two surfaces. Friction force work in the opposite direction of motion. The coefficient of a static friction is slightly higher than the coefficient of kinetic friction. Friction force depending on the type of the surfaces in the contact. Next question. A body of weight 1000 Newton is moved on a horizontal plane having the coefficient of friction 1 by root 3. The minimum force applied parallel to the horizontal plane to move the body is C नंबर हो जाए 1000 by root 3. Next question. Limiting force of friction is defined as the frictional force which exists when a body just begin to slide over the surfaces. Description देखते हैं. Limiting force of friction is defined as the frictional force which exists when a body just begin to slide over the surfaces. The maximum value of the frictional force which comes into the play when a body just begins to slide over the surface of the other body is known as limiting friction. State which one is not correct. सी नंबर करेक्ट नहीं है. सी नंबर क्या कह रहा है? द एंगल ऑफ रिपोज इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन द वेट ऑफ द ब्लॉक प्लेस्ड ऑन द प्लेन. ये गलत है, बाकी सही पढ़ देते हैं. द एंगल ऑफ रिपोज इज इक्वल टू द एंगल ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. द एंगल ऑफ रिपोज इज डिपेंडेंट अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ सरफेस. द एंगल ऑफ रिपोज इज द एंगल मेड बाय द इंक्लाइनेशन ऑफ द प्लेन with the horizontal when the block placed on it is about to slide down without application of any external forces. एंगल ऑफ रिपोज क्या कह रहा है? द एंगल ऑफ रिपोज इज इक्वल टू द एंगल ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. थीटा इक्वल टू लैम्डा इक्वल टू टेन इनवर्स म्यू. इट इज द मैक्सिमम एंगल मेड बाय द इंक्लाइनेशन प्लेन विथ द हॉरिजॉन्टल such that the block kept over it does not slip. The angle of repose is not dependent upon the weight of the block placed on the plane. Next question. A body of 100 kg resting on a rough horizontal plane required a pull of 20 kg horizontally to the plane just to move it. Its coefficient of friction will be 0.2 हो जाएगा. The friction acting on a body just on the point of the sliding is called limiting friction. Limiting friction क्या है? The maximum value of the frictional force which comes into play when a body just begins to slide over the surfaces of the other body, known as limiting friction. The the friction experienced by a body when in motion is called dynamic friction. It is also called the kinematic friction. Next topic है centroid, center of gravity and moment of inertia. Moment of inertia of a circular section. Moment of inertia of a circular section कितना हो जाता है? तो पाई डी पे पावर 4/64. Moment of inertia of a circular section of diameter d, I x x बराबर I y y बराबर पाई डी पे पावर 4/64. The moment of inertia of a hollow circular section of outer diameter capital D and inner diameter small d is I x x बराबर I y y बराबर पाई/64 इंटू कैपिटल डी पे पावर 4 माइनस स्मॉल डी पे पावर 4. Mass moment of inertia has unit of kg meter square. A number. Mass moment of inertia is the second moment of mass of the body. I equal to mk square. Area moment of inertia has unit of meter power 4 या फिर mm पे पावर 4. Moment of inertia of a rectangular section having width b and depth d about an axis passing through its cg and parallel to its depth. यह जाए db पे पावर 3/12. मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया फॉर रेक्टेंगुलर के लिए क्या हो गया? db पे पावर क्यू बाई 12 एंड एक्सिस पासिंग थ्रू द सी जी एंड पैरेलल टू द विड्थ, देन मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया क्या आ जाएगा? बी डी क्यू पी बाई 12. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ अ ट्रायंगुलर सेक्शन ऑफ बेस बी एंड हाइट एच अबाउट एन एक्सिस पासिंग थ्रू इट्स सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी एंड पैरेलल टू बेस. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा बी एच क्यू बाई 36. Moment of inertia of triangular section about axis passing through the COG and parallel to the base is given as ICG equal to BHQ by 36, I base BHQ by 12. रेक्टेंगुलर के क्या होगा? आई एक्स एक्स इक्वल टू बी डी क्यू पे 12, आई वाई वाई बराबर डी बी क्यू बाई 12. सर्कुलर के लिए क्या होगा? आई एक्स एक्स बराबर आई वाई वाई बराबर पाई/64 पाई डी पे पावर 4/64. The center of gravity of the semicircle lies at the distance of 4r/3 pi from its base measure along the vertical radius. The center of gravity of a semicircle lies at the distance of 4r/3 pi from its base measure along the vertical radius. Next question. The moment of inertia of a rectangular section 3 cm width and 4 cm depth about x-axis passing through the center is 16 cm पे पावर 4 हो जाएगा. The unit of moment of inertia of an area is मीटर पावर 4. ठीक है. यूनिट ऑफ मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ एन एरिया इज मीटर पावर 4. The unit of moment of inertia of an area is meter power 4. Moment of inertia may be defined as the moment of moment, that is second moment of area or mass of the body. Moment of inertia of the area AK स्क्वायर हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा और है इसमें. मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ मास mk स्क्वायर वेयर k क्या है? रेडियस ऑफ जायरेशन. इन SI यूनिट द यूनिट ऑफ मास मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया is kg meter square and the moment of inertia of the area is expressed in meter power 4 or mm power 4. Next question. The center of gravity of a semicircle of radius r from its base will be at 4r by 3 pi. The center of gravity of semicircle of radius capital R from its base will be 4r by 3 pi. The moment of inertia of a triangular section of base B and height h about an axis passing through its center of gravity CG and parallel to the base of BH की by 36. D number answer. The ratio of moment of inertia of a circle and that of a square having the same area about their centroidal axis. इसका ए हो जाएगा आंसर 3 बाई पाई. मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ सर्कल कितना हो जाता है, आई सर्कल इक्वल हो गया पाई डी पे पावर 64 बाई पाई डी पे पावर 4 बाई 64. मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ सर्कल आई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए पे पावर 4 बाई 12. देन एरिया क्या हो गया पाई डी पे पावर 4 बाई पाई डी पे पावर 2 बाई 4 इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर. फिर देन रेशियो क्या हो जाएगा आपका 3 बाई पाई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द CG of quadrant of the circle is at the distance of 4r by 3 pi from the axis. Next question. The moment of inertia of a semicircle area about its diameter is pi d power 4 by 128. Last question. The moment of inertia of a quarter circle of radius r about x-axis passing through the centroid is I x equal to 0.055 r पे पावर 4. थैंक यू दोस्तों.